All right, another exponent problem. Let's see here. We have a parentheses, and that is called the power rule because all of this is raised to the second power. So let's look at how we think through this problem. So the biggest thing, I guess, is to recognize that this y is not squared right now. It is y to the first. So we have y to the first, x squared, and all of that is squared. Now, once we're kind of clear on that, we want to think of multiplying this to like distributive property. It just kind of looks a little like in reverse, right? And so we're going to have a y value, and 1 times 2 is 2. So this is y squared, and x squared is raised to the second power. So 2 times 2 is 4. And so that's your answer. If you wanted to put x first because it's in alphabetical order, you could do that. Those are equivalent. This is saying y squared. So y times y. So that's where we get the y squared. And then it's x squared times itself, x squared, which is x to the fourth. So those are being multiplied together. So you just write them like one of these. All right. Hope that helps. See you next time.